Can't figure out how to record audio on your Apple Watch? After watching this video, you can do it anytime without your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to record audio on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. First, open up the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch. It's a red and white wave on a dark circle. Once the app is open, you'll see a red circle icon. Tap on it. The app will show a timer and audio waveforms that indicates your voice is recording. Speak clearly into the microphone on your Apple Watch. When you're finished recording, tap the red square icon to stop this. After stopping, the recording will be automatically saved, and here you can see the recorded audio. You'll usually see it listed in the Voice Memos app with a default name like the date and time. If you swipe right, you will get a rename button. Tap on it. Now type anything to set a new name. Then tap Done. Here it is renamed. Now if you swipe left, you'll get a delete button. If you want to delete this record, tap on it. Now again, tap to confirm the deletion. And that's how you can record audio on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.